Hello everybody, I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. I'm home from Jamaica. As you can see, I'm kind of tanned. I have to show you. So, I don't know if, can you see that? Look at the bumps. So Ian and I both broke out in these bumps. I have it all over my chest. He's got it all over his back. And I don't know if it's because we were so burned, freckles, that I got like a piece of aloe vera, an actual aloe vera plant, and I don't know if that broke me out or like just the heat and a heat rash and a lotion, but it's getting better now. But holy cow, the last 3 days of being in Jamaica, like it was inflamed and itchy, and then I'm like, okay, I'm putting on sunblock and that's not making it any better. So it's getting better. We're back. I am going to be unboxing and trying on Boxycharm. So this is Boxycharm January. I know I'm a little bit late. I was away. So this is what the box looks like. I am in Toronto, Canada. So this is the regular base box. This box costs Canadians. It was $42, taxes, everything included, and shipping. It is, I believe, $25 American, plus we had to pay $5 for shipping to Canada. They also have the premium box, which is every month as well. That box is around $55 Canadian, shipping, everything included. And then obviously there's the Luxe box, which is every 3 months. The next box comes out in March. I haven't gotten a Luxe box since December 2018. That's the last time I got a Luxe box. I just haven't been, wowed with what's in the box because I have a lot of stuff. But if you're just, starting your collection of makeup, I always say Boxycharm is a great box. Their customer service is kind of crappy. I will say that. Their customer service is crappy, and, it's not... Hold on, I'm doing my eyelashes. I didn't do that. I just got out of the shower. I did a face mask, a hair mask, and you guys, I don't care. You're saying I don't care, Lisa. Just show us what's in the box. I feel like I'm all over the place today. It's Saturday. We literally arrived home 12 o'clock last night, and I just have so much to do. Like I did before I left, I now have so much more to do. Okay, anyways, we're going to talk about what's in the box. The first thing I'm going to pull out of the box is the Pretty Vulgar Concealer, $25. And I don't think this shade is quite... Okay, so this is my actual natural shade. This is Vanilla and NARS. And this is what they sent me. I don't get that. And even in my quiz, I'm like, I'm light vanilla, and I picked the lightest shade in something else. They sent me shade Undercover. Now, this might work today because I have a tan, but I mean, that's going to go in a week. And what is this going to do? Like, that's kind of weird, right? This doesn't seem like a light shade. Like, I mean, that's a huge difference. But anyways, I got that. Okay, if this were my shade, I'd be very happy about it. But I'll try it because I have a tan, so it might work. Then we have this Petite and Pretty Volumizing Mascara, which is $16. I've never heard of this brand before. Petite and Pretty. Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. That's what it looks like. And, oh, that's the handle. Ew. Does that look kind of icky to you? Like, that looks icky to me. What the... We're going to try it. We're going to do a try-on, but that's all like clumped together. Okay, so we got the mascara. Oh, I'm very, very happy. I really, really wanted this so bad because I did buy it from Sephora, remember, before Christmas, and I sent it back, and I was hoping I would get this in my box. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. So happy I got this. This is $22. So all of these prices are American dollars, and oh, it smells so good. And I've never tried this before, so I'm excited. I'm going to try this tonight. I do love my Caudalie. Where is it, my Caudalie? My favorite nighttime cream. I had we had gotten this before from Topbox Circle as a mission. I don't know, maybe in the summer, I can't remember. And I loved it, and I used it all up, and I never tried it afterwards. There it is. And then I was thinking about it, and I seen somebody had it for sale on a makeup page, so I bought it. And now this is my third one because I had someone else was selling it, so I'm like, I'm grabbing it because I know it's very expensive. This is 15 mil, and I think I got it for like $8, $10, something like that. This is the Brightening Glycolic Night Cream, the Vino Perfect Caudalie. I love, love, love this night cream. So that's what I've been using. I used it the whole time in Jamaica. I love this. But I'm excited to try that. I'm so excited that I got this in my box. This is a bonus for me. I'm so excited to get that. Next we have the, what is this? Skin & Company Aroma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. This is $28 US. Wow, this is an expensive box. $25 for the concealer. This is $28. The Glow Recipe is $22. The mascara is $16, so it's not a bad box. This is an exfoliating cream. Oh, that is awesome. And I know a lot of people love Skin & Company. I don't think I've gotten a lot of their stuff, but I usually give it away. So I'm going to try this. I need a new exfoliator. I'm running out. So I hope I like this. And the last thing in the box, and this was my choice because you did get a choice. So I'm just going to put the stuff I'm not going to use now because I'm going to apply what I can in this box on my face. Put this down, but I'm so excited to get this. Very excited to get the Glow Recipe. I know there was different other versions. I don't remember what it was that other people got. Let me know in the comments down below. What did you get in your box? Okay. This is what I chose. I believe you could have chosen this one or the other palette. I chose Ace Beauty. The price of this is $34.99, and I love Ace Beauty eyeshadows. I got the Scarlet Dusk palette. Let's see what she looks like. And I love Ace Beauty. They had this palette one time that I got on Boxycharm in my points, and I sold it, and I've been kicking myself ever since because I loved that palette. Oh, and this is something similar to it. I'm so happy. Look at these shades, and I'm going to be putting this on today. I think I'm going to go with the oranges somewhere around here. I think I'm going to play with that. Okay, that is beautiful. Oh my God, it's so pretty.